Oh, Bledge, 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 that's enough coal. Bledge, 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 that's enough coal. Bledge, Bledge, that's enough. Oh my god.
No.
No, 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 no. That's enough. Bledge. Bro!
Go faster. He's getting.
I can't go faster. Okay. So much for public transport. Where'd he go?
Runs off into the woods, never to be seen again.
Oh!
Wait. Approximately.
Ah! Why did you? Hey, Bledge. Hey, Bledge.
Huh?
I want you to take control, okay? And then look at what this lever down here is called.
Did you tell him what it's called? Is that why he's doing
I wanted, yeah, I think it is. Why are you trying to crawl into the boiler?
I'm like stuck in there. Bible.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, so,
Hello, welcome to Azio Vlogs number episode number 23, 20B. So, today, Trin as seeing, yeah. There's some, like, dubious little creatures around here. Oh, there they are. Wow. Look at that thing. What is that? Like, what is that? What is that? What is that thing? What is it doing here? I'm just trying to... And we missed the stop.
This is an incomplete cock. You missed the station.
I completely erased that. I don't know why you still see it.
I still see it.
Anyways, this concludes vlog number 28, 20B. Cool. Thanks. What is that? What's the shovel? What's the shovel doing? What the shovel doing? Huh? No, I'm taking that. I think a ghost possessed our shovel.
What the hell?
Yeah, like if you look outside, wherever the shovel went.
The shovel's doing its job, Azia. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's trying to beat me to death earlier.
It's just doing what a shovel does, you know?
I suppose. Absolutely shoveling out.
Wait a minute. Where'd my shovel go? Yeah? Come on!
I found you. Oh, it's terrifying.